Let us go ahead with one of the most important topic in C language, that is the pointers. So pointer are basically a variable and that are used to perform the general task very easily and some other task, and if our program is using the dynamic memory allocation, then we have to use the pointers. Let us start seeing what actually the pointer are and how we can start working on the pointers variable. So pointer are nothing but the memory variables, and this is the variable which are used to store the address of another variable. And like any other data type variable declaration, a pointer must be declared before we use in our program. And we know that a variable contains the memory location which we can access via the ampersand operator. For example, when we use the scanf %d and %n, we are doing nothing but scanning a value to the location of the variable n. So how we can declare the pointers variable? We have to simply give the data type and then variable name, and your variable name must be start with the star symbol, just like int star p. This is simply defining the pointer to an integer. Float star fp, a pointer to a float, and char star ch, a pointer to a character, and double star dp, pointer to the double. There should be a float. This is written by mistake. This is for the pointer to a float. So address is a long hexadecimal number that represent the memory address. As we know, the hexadecimal numbers may contain 0 to 9 and A to F characters. So this is a general representation of the memory address, and the actual data type of the value of all the pointer like int, float, char, etc. is a long hexadecimal number. The only difference between the pointer of different types is the type of the variable that the pointer points to. So here we have given the integer variable with value 20, and we are trying to print the address as well as the value. So it is saying the address of the variable n is FFF4 and the value is 20. And if I am changing Now let's see, it becomes triple F2. So in this way we can give ampersand and the variable name in order to print the address of the variable, and this is how we can scan the value to this particular address. So thank you so much.